Good morning. This is that Junior JP new assignment. 15 questions related, 4th, 9th, 28th. First one is, that one is systemic circulation. Systemic circulation. That related third option. When observe third option related, that left ventricle to body parts to right atria. This is called as a systemic circulation. And the second question related, that one is pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery, the start from that right ventricle to that lungs, blood circulation related, the pulmonary artery. Then third question related, that one is 72 times number of heartbeats per minute, 72 times the heartbeats per minute, and double circulation is also 72 times. And fourth one related, left ventricle is a pure or oxygenated blood. The oxygenated blood is started from the left ventricle to the body parts. And fifth one question related, that one is aorta. Aorta is the main blood vessel, supply the oxygenated blood to various body parts. Then sixth one is, that one is circulation. That one is called pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation is started from the right ventricle to pulmonary trunk and pulmonary arteries to lungs, and lungs to that left atria. This is called as pulmonary circulation. Then seventh related when observed is that connective tunica externa is composed of that the connective tissues. The eighth one is connective tissues. Then ninth one. The ninth one is that indicate for this related systemic circulation. Systemic circulation means that blood supply that from that left ventricle to body parts to right atria. The circulation is called as systemic circulation. Then 10th question is, that one is the 10th one is aorta and deoxygenated blood. Aorta is the main blood vessel, supply the blood to various body parts. The 10th one. 11th one. The right ventricles, the deoxygenated blood pumps to the lungs through pulmonary trunks. And the 12th one. That one is blood toward the heart. Veins, the collecting the blood toward the heart. Towards heart. That means veins are collecting blood vessels. Various parts they are collecting the blood, and toward that the blood movements toward the heart. Then 13th. When observe the 13th bit, superior vena cava. This is collecting the blood from the anterior region of the body. That is the superior vena cava collecting blood vessel. Then 14. Pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins are oxygenated blood collecting. Pulmonary veins, oxygenated blood collecting from the lungs. Pulmonary veins. 4 pulmonary veins. Then 15th, the last bit, 15th dated, oxidative that started from that left ventricle. Left ventricle, they started the blood circulation from the left ventricle. Okay, thank you.